Let me present a case study. Question is, I'm 40. I fear that it is too late for me to begin and venture into something new. Let us analyze this with an example to understand it in a better way. Think of a notebook with many pages in it. Each page in itself is just an open page. You can either scribble on it or write poetry on it. Irrespective of what you do, you can still turn to the next page. Again, you can scribble on it or write poetry on that new page. Till the notebook ends, the freedom of choice to use or misuse the pages of the notebook purely depends on you. Even if you have wasted the first half of the notebook, you can still write poem after poem in the second half of the notebook and make it worth preserving. Metaphorically, the notebook can be compared to your life and each open page in it to a day of your life. You can make the most of every day of your life from now on and create a life that will be cherished. Remember, it is never too late to begin. It is never too late to get awakened in life. Follow me to know more about personality development and consider subscribing to my channel.